Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is the Pirelli Angel GT2 rear motorcycle tire. So we have this sport touring tire installed on a Honda VFR and we really love it. So we have the size 180 55 ZR17. The tire was easy to install and I think it looks really nice, but most importantly, it provides excellent traction on the road. The tread design offers exceptional handling, especially in wet conditions. So this is such a great thing to have for peace of mind if you're out riding and all of a sudden you encounter wet road conditions. You can be really confident that this tire is going to keep you safe and on the road. So we also appreciate that these wear really well. So my husband rides this bike a lot and it has been wearing super well and definitely has longevity. So we have been super happy with the performance of this motorcycle tire. Would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.